Today, I'm excited to delve into the wonders of living in harmony with nature. As we explore the benefits and beauty of residing in natural environments, we'll uncover how this lifestyle choice can enhance our well-being and foster sustainable living practices. Let's begin by examining the numerous benefits that come with living in nature. One, health and well-being. Studies have shown that spending time in natural surroundings can significantly reduce stress levels, alleviate anxiety, and improve overall mental health. The tranquility of nature provides a soothing retreat from the demands of modern life, allowing us to reconnect with ourselves and find inner peace. 2, clean air. Away from the pollution of urban areas, the air in natural environments tends to be cleaner and fresher. Breathing in this pristine air can have profound effects on our respiratory health, reducing the risk of respiratory illnesses and allergies. 3, connection with nature. Living amidst natural beauty fosters a deep sense of connection with the environment. Whether it's the rustling of leaves in the wind or the chirping of birds at dawn, nature constantly reminds us of our interconnectedness with all living things, cultivating a profound sense of awe and gratitude. Four, sustainable living. Embracing a lifestyle in harmony with nature often leads to more sustainable practices. From growing our own food to harnessing renewable energy sources like solar and wind power, living sustainably not only reduces our environmental footprint, but also nurtures a sense of responsibility towards the planet. And 5, privacy and tranquility. Nature provides a sanctuary of privacy and tranquility, free from the noise and distractions of city life. Whether it's a peaceful hike through the woods or a quiet evening under the stars, living in nature allows us to escape the hustle and bustle and reconnect with the rhythms of the natural world. Now let's explore some of the most popular house materials used in natural environments. 1, wood. Timber is a timeless choice for homes in natural settings, offering both beauty and durability. Wooden houses blend seamlessly with the surrounding landscape and provide excellent insulation against the elements. 2, stone. Stone houses exude rustic charm and timeless elegance. Built to withstand the test of time, stone structures offer superior durability and natural insulation, making them ideal for climates with extreme temperatures. 3, adobe. Adobe houses made from sun-dried mud bricks are a staple of desert architecture. With their thick walls and natural insulation properties, adobe homes provide cool shelter from the scorching heat of the sun. 4, rammed earth. Rammed earth construction involves compressing layers of earth to create solid walls. These homes are not only energy efficient and durable, but also blend harmoniously with the natural landscape. 5, straw bale. Straw bale construction utilizes bales of straw as building blocks, offering excellent insulation and a low carbon footprint. These eco-friendly homes are both energy efficient and environmentally sustainable. Lastly, let's explore some sustainable practices that can enhance our experience of living in nature. 1, passive solar design. Orienting our homes to maximize sunlight exposure can reduce the need for heating and lighting, harnessing natural energy sources for comfort and efficiency. 2, rainwater harvesting. Collecting rainwater for household use reduces our reliance on municipal water supplies and helps conserve precious resources. Three, permaculture gardening. Designing gardens based on permaculture principles promotes biodiversity, conserves water, and produces food in harmony with nature. 4, off-grid living. Utilizing renewable energy sources such as solar panels and wind turbines allows us to live independently of the power grid, reducing our environmental impact and promoting self-sufficiency. 5, green building materials. Choosing eco-friendly building materials such as reclaimed wood, recycled glass, and low VOC paints minimizes our environmental footprint during construction and promotes a healthier indoor environment. In conclusion, living in nature offers a multitude of benefits for our health, well-being, and the environment. By embracing sustainable practices and building homes that harmonize with the natural landscape, we can create a more fulfilling and enriching lifestyle for ourselves and future generations to come. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the wonders of living in nature. Let's continue to cherish and protect the beauty of our natural world.